Hi, this is Scott from Champion True Value with another expert hardware tip. Well, I've had some requests from some of my customers to talk a little about paintbrushes. They say, boy, I walk in there and you have all these brushes. What's the difference? So very quickly, I'm going to go through and tell you the different types of brushes we have and what their applications are. First of all, we have throwaway brushes, represent also sometimes called chip brushes. These are great for just applications where you're working outside on the fence and you just want to do little bits here and there and throw it away when you're done. We also have foam brushes. Its great application, other than they're cheap, is the fact that they're really good for super smooth surfaces. From there, we go brush good, better, and best. So the good brush is just a general construction, usually a plastic handle and regular bristles. The better brush goes to a wood handle with more bristles. And finally, the best brush, wood handle, great bristle, but it holds more paint. And why I like that is I'm not dipping into the can quite so often, holds a little more paint. Another brush that I like a lot myself is an angle brush because it allows me to get into tight spots. Then, of course, we have the Purdy line of brushes. And the Purdy brushes, as you can see in most lines, will say all paints and stains, meaning you can use it on latex and oil base. Now, if you're just doing a latex product, Nylox is a great option that Purdy makes. It really does a nice smooth surface, but it's not oil based, just latex. And conversely, China bristle brushes, if you see anything on there, it'll say China bristle. Wonderful for oil base, but lousy for latex. Why? Well, it soaks up too much water, in a latex paint, and it's not as good. But boy, for oil base, it flows the paint on beautifully. And a lot of my woodworking customers that do woodworking request the China bristle, not that expensive, but they do great for polyurethanes and anything that is an oil-based product. Two more final things. Got to have a disposable tray liner when you're rolling your paint. This is just a great thing to have that you can just throw away when you're done. And finally, this is a little thing that I've discovered that I've liked a lot. You could put it onto a 5-gallon bucket, or I simply keep it in my hand for touching up. So I can just go and do my trim work with this paint, and it's right there where I need to be. So any questions on brushes, come see us here at Champion True Value. We're at the corner of Champion Forest and Loetta, and we can help you with your next painting project.